What about portfolio investors, FIIs? Are you against them?
No, against them in the sense, but I think there should be a degree of control over them, because we were at one time talked in terms of a capital gains tax. I mean, we also considered a Tobin tax at one point of time. But then that is the biggest dampener for any FII to flow into any country. But the point is that I think there has to be a mix in terms of where you can regulate also speculative flows. And speculative flows, I sincerely believe, and that is a fact that the world has shown, is one of the primary factors for the entire global financial instability, when what happens since, or continues to happen since 2008. So, I mean, so therefore there has to be a mixture of permitting the flow of FIIs, at the same time also certain regulations that can protect any domestic economy from speculative, activities. So I think that is what we are looking at, and that is what we want the government also to seriously consider, this question of a proper capital gains tax. If the United States of America can have it, I don't see why India cannot. So I think these are issues which require a serious attention.